Hello friends, my name is Dr. C.R.M. Rao, motivational speaker, trainer and life coach. Welcome to Salute India Telugu channel. Welcome back to Think Better, Live Better, a series of episodes. Now the present topic deals with the value of setting goals. Goal setting is one of the most important for bringing out your potential, getting motivation, because being decisive is the most important, friends. A goal properly set is halfway reached. If you are not sure where you are going, you might end up somewhere else. Remember, friends, clarity is the power. I can tell you a very nice small case study. In America it has happened. A professor went to a class, asked the students, what is your goal? 84% people said no goal. 13% people said they have a goal but no plan. 3% said they have a goal and the plan. The professor was very curious to know. After 10 years, he collected the information of all these class students. To his surprise, he found that the 3% people who have a goal and a plan, they were doing 10 times more salary than the 84%. The 13% students who have a goal but no plan, they were drawing double the salary of 84% people who have no goal. The 84% people who have no goal, they were doing very small jobs. This very clearly proves that you can design your destiny provided if your destination is clear. All successful people have a clear goal, because remember, friends, winners, they know where they are going, what they are going to do that, because once the destination is clear, your success increases, because you get motivation and you can unlock your potential and you can increase your capabilities because the destination is clear. Now remember, friends, anybody entering the bus itself, the conductor will ask, where you want to tell me the stop, where you want to get down. If we say, I don't know, then he will say, get down first. So friends, remember, you must have clarity first. Somebody is going to Secunderabad station, sitting morning 10 to evening 6. He doesn't know where to go. Then trains will be coming and going. There is no use. Because if you know that you want to go to Chennai, you will board the Chennai train. You want to go to Calcutta, you board the Calcutta train. You want to go to Mumbai, you take the Mumbai train. So, but you don't know where to go, the time will be wasted. Remember, friends, envelope without address, where it will go. Ship without rudder, where it will go. And most important, friends, remember, when you set the goal, you must set the correct frame of mind. The frame means fantasy. F means fantasy, R means reality, A means aim, M means method, E means evaluation. Your goal should be clearly matched with your values. You cannot have a fantasy goals. See, a dream is a fantasy which has no time limit, whereas goal has a specific time limit and specific task, should be completed in a specific stipulated time. Whereas R means reality. You must keep the goal realizing your potential, your capabilities, because fancy goals doesn't lead anywhere. And aim high goals. The goal should be slightly out of reach, not completely out of sight. Method, you should be truthful to your goal, because one should select the method. Be truthful and sincere to the job. If you are not able to understand, friends, remember, take advice from the other people. And E, which is most important, is evaluation. You have to evaluate how much you have planned, actually how much you have achieved, because evaluation makes more accountable to your job. Now remember, friends, a lot of people nowadays I see they don't set the goals. Why? Because the fear of failure, procrastination, that means postponement, lack of ambition, lack of knowledge about setting goals, and pessimistic attitude. Always worrying, what happens, what nothing will happen. You must have first clear goal. And some people set the goals, but they fail in the goals. Why? The reasons are lack of commitment. There is no commitment. Second, the goal which they set is not into incorporate the realistic plan. They set a fancy goals because the goal should match with the values. Third, they don't have proper knowledge of setting the goals. And most important thing is lack of ambition. Because no ambition, time pass. Remember friends, once you have a goal, you have a commitment, discipline working on that, you will get success. Don't worry for the failure. A lot of big people failed number of times, but they never left in between. They pursued, they reaped the victories. Remember friends, now I am going to give you simple tips how to follow for goal setting, how to set your goal. If you follow these tips systematically, at least few of them, you will certainly achieve success in your life. You can unlock your potential and you can do wonders in life because the goal setting will help you both professional and personal life development. And I am sure, please take interest and set your goals following these tips given by me. Point 1, the goal should be SMART. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. Remember friends, for example, I'll tell you, I want to lose weight. It is not the correct goal. Be specific. I want to lose 10 pounds in 10 months time. Here you are able to specify your weight, specify the time, and it should be realistic also. It should be achievable. Any goal when you set, it should be follow the SMART criteria. Second point, always conduct SWOT analysis. Remember friends, SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Once you set a goal in your strong areas, your success becomes very much. The strong area means your passion area. Passion, how to identify passion area? There are 3 points for that. First is when you do that work, you don't get tired easily. Second, the time flies very fast. Third, you don't mind about success or failure. For example, I like to play cricket. I play for 6 hours, I don't get tired. The time flies very fast. Even if I lose today, again may play tomorrow. So always work in the areas which you are strong so that your success becomes very much. Third, dare to think big. This is most important. A lot of people have a lot of potential, but they always keep low goals because they don't use their potential. There are 4 types of goal setters here. First is goal high, achievement high. Second type is goal high, but achievement is low. Third is goal low, achievement is high. Fourth type is goal low, achievement is low. I'll give an example. My range is 80%. I keep 85%. I achieve that. So goal high, achievement high. That is the best way. Second is goal high, but achievement is low. I know my range is 80, but I keep 95. So too much high, so my achievement is low. Third is goal low, but achievement high. I keep 80, I am 80, but I keep 60 because people may think I may fail, they may comment. So I keep only 60, but I range up to 80. That means you are not assessing fully your capabilities. The fourth one is goal low, achievement low. That means my range is 80, but I keep only 60. I also don't work much. I get only 60, 65. That means you are not utilizing your potential. Point number 4, have a good strategy. This is most critical area because a lot of people, they fail in the goals because they go on changing the goal. Never change the goals frequently. Change the strategy. You find out why you are lagging, why the problems are coming. Introspect them, analyze them and try to redesign your plan, but don't change the goals frequently because rolling stone gathers no moss. Point number 5, eliminate negatives because any goal statement or any work which is helping to goal statement, accept it. Anything which doesn't help your goal statement, reject it. Always don't keep negative thoughts. People may think like that, I may not succeed. Don't worry for those things. Eliminate the negatives. Keep positive thoughts. Let us try. Even if you fail, learn from that because positivity makes your energy. Point number 6, create proper infrastructure because people have a lot of ideas, but they don't have commitment in that direction. See, for example, I want a good garden. I need good water, good soil, good seeds, good manure. So infrastructure has to be created proper so that your success becomes much more easy and faster. Implement enthusiastically. This is the most important, friends. A lot of people have ideas, they set up the goals, but there is no commitment. Why? Because implementation is the key. Knowledge without action is useless. Action without knowledge, foolishness. People have skills, but there is no will. We always say that skill means abilities. Competence means abilities plus will to do the work. So you must have competence and skill. Abilities without dependability is a liability. If you don't implement, you don't get progress, friends. Remember. Next point, number 8. Point 8 is persistence is a must. This is the most important because I always say that 5P: passion, planning, preparation, patience, and perseverance. Because if you plan perseverance, you reap victory. If you plant patience, you reap improvements. So you want to achieve success, perseverance is a must. Next point, number 9, conduct weekly reviews. Why? Because evaluation is the most important. How much actually you plan and how much you have achieved. If there is a lacuna, introspect yourself, evaluate yourself and try to reassess your plan so that you can assess correctly, you can achieve success. Number 10, celebrate, share and experience the success at every stage. When you finish your one goal, enjoy that. Celebrate the success so that you get motivation to take up more goals, more challenges. You get energy because you are celebrating and enjoying the success. Point number 11, keep new goals which can stretch you and help you to grow. Remember, friends, life is challenging, pleasant, happy only when you have goals because they will unlock your potential. They will make your life more purposeful and happy because setting new goals makes more lively. See, for example, in my case, I am 68 years. I retired 7 years back. I kept now new goals of teaching it to the students now. Now I make YouTube videos. I have a goal. In the same way, I am enjoying my life because I have a goal clarity. So clarity is power. Remember, friends, once you have clarity, you have success. Because if the destination is clear, you get more urge to do that. That's why we always say aspiration plus motivation plus efforts is equal to goal attainment. So remember, friends, goal attainment is very, very simple. Only thing is the goal should be properly set with using the SMART criteria. You must also assess yours, evaluate the progress, and you must have commitment to the goal, create proper infrastructure, and keep the destination clear. Why? Because suppose, I'll tell you one small story. Somebody buys a car, 1 crore car, with all late gadgets, fantastic. He parks the car under a tree. And when he goes to a friend's house, the birds will shit on the windshield. When he comes back, the windshield is covered with bird shit. Unless you clear the windshield, you can't progress. You can't drive all over. In the same way, unless your destination is clarity, it will not bring out your potential. You will not be able to come up in life, and automatically your talent may be there. But once your goal is not clear, you will not get the urge, that motivation required. So please, friends, follow these guidelines, set up a clear goals, and use your potential, and most importantly, the purpose of your life, and enjoy the things, friends. All the best to you, and I have given very simple tips. Once you have a clear goal, as I told you a story of design your destiny, you are the creator of your own destiny. Because once you have a clear goal, which has a SMART criteria, with the correct frame of mind, I am 100% sure you will succeed in your life. Please keep commitment and don't change the goals frequently, change the strategy and evaluate yourself. And all the best to you. Have a wonderful time. And to sum up, I'll tell you, for students especially, there are 5 types of goals for students. Immediate goal within 1 month, short-term goal 1 year, mid-term goal 3 years, long-term goal 5 years, and life goal 10 years and above. Students, I'm morely focusing. Why? Because, friends, student life is the most critical time. Keep good goals, keep good clarity in your life, achieve success, and you enjoy your life. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.